Hi, my name is Yashika. I've been passionate about engineering ever since I was a kid. While most of the kids played with toys, I was more curious about how they worked. I used to break them open just to see the wires and motor inside. Even back then, I'd tell people not to waste water or pluck flowers for fun. But most of the people around me took me lightly. They'd just smile and brush it off, saying she's just a kid. But for me, it was serious. I grew up in Delhi, a place where pollution feels like part of the air that we breathe, and I knew early on that I wanted to change. I couldn't wait for someone else to start it. So I started working on my idea. I researched eco-friendly engines, made a working prototype with design modifications to reduce emission and overheating. I even did real calculation based on large-scale models. I submitted my research paper to multiple high school journals, not just to get published, but to find mentorship and keep my work open for improvement. I also wanted to grow beyond just me. And to spread awareness, I did not go to the boring route. I made games, fun interactive ones, to help people, especially kids, understand the connection between trees and humans in a more emotional and intellectual way. I dream of a world where even poor families can afford eco-friendly cars and where we don't hear about car fires or blasts because engines are smarter, cleaner and safer. My dream is to work in R&D labs at a place like Toyota someday. They have always inspired me from building the first hybrid car to supporting hydrogen engines. They have proven that green innovation is possible and powerful. Honestly, people laughed when I talked about my vision. Mechanic isn't for girls, they'd say. Go do something easier. People stared when I started placing donation box and awareness messages in public, but that didn't stop me. This CWC journey showed me that being a change maker isn't about doing everything perfectly. It's about daring to start and not giving up even when things get hard or lonely. I've learned to speak up louder for what I believe in. I've learned that my ideas matter